Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Let's talk about ballast water treatment system today. And the video that I'm going to make, this was the ballast water treatment system on one of my own ships, which was a bulk carrier. And there, with the help of the junior engineer whose name is Abhimanyu, I made this PPT. And let us just discuss that PPT and you guys can understand what is happening in BWTS system fitting these days. So there are a lot of types of BWTS systems. I'm talking about just one type. बट इट विल गिव एन आइडिया कि व्हाट हैपेंस और आपको ऑटोमेशन समझ में आएगा कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ऑटोमेशन इज देयर ऑन बोर्ड शिप्स. सो नाउ दिस लुक्स डिफरेंट, सो लेट मी शेयर इट विद यू कि व्हाट इज दिस ऑल हैपनिंग. To every marine engineer out there, from junior engineer to chief engineer and electrical officer, we all know that earning respect on ship is very important. We all know fast promotions are very important, and we all know that इज्जत कमानी है, promotion चाहिए तो काम आना चाहिए, तो जूते पड़ते हैं, गालियां पड़ती हैं, and for that you need a good mentor. Sometimes we keep finding those mentors on board ship, अगर नहीं मिल रहे तो MND Flix है ना, Merchant Navy Decoded has launched a subscription model where you can find more than 30 plus courses with respect to your rank, helping you earn respect on ship. Please enroll on these free trial videos. Watch these videos as per rank and then decide whether you want to invest or not with a very good flexible payment plan as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. So this is your high sea chest and low sea chest. Copied from where the pump is taking suction. These are your three valves: V3, V8, V4. These are all. Can you see these valves? These are all pneumatically operated valves. ओके आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो नाउ लेट मी शो यू हाउ what is this monitoring unit and how this works. So now what happens is, say through this ballast pump 10 microorganisms are trying to go into the ballast water treatment system, right? This EUT produces H plus OH minus. This OH minus combined with chloride forming active substance, right? Now the more substance, the more amount of current flowing, that means more amount of active substance will be formed. Say the current flowing is 100 amps, and because of this current, say 8 active substances are formed. Then now these 8 active substances kill 8 organisms over here. That means 2 are still remaining and they go into the tank. But what if I give more current and I produce 12 active substances? These 12 kill these 10, and still there are 2 remaining active substances which are going into the ballast water treatment system. So now after killing all the organisms, still there are 2 active substances which are going into the ballast water treatment system. Copied? Now this active oxidants we are measuring over here in the monitoring unit कि भैया how much is more. If it is more, that means it has killed all the active organisms, only then it is there. But it should not be more, because then in that case it causes adverse effects on the paint of the ballast water tank. So we say normally in ballast water treatment system, the active substances measuring over here should be between 1.5 to 2 ppm. I'll show you in the next slide in a proper way what is happening. So now let us see the ballasting operation. So now these lines are vacant. So now what happens is, as soon as you start the ballasting operation, this valve opens, this valve open, this valve open, this valve open, this valve open, this valve closes, this valve closes, this valve closes, and your ballast pump starts. This valve we have opened down below in the engine room. Ballast pump takes suction over here. From here it goes into the filter, 50 micron filter. Most of the dirt is lost. Then it goes into the EUT. From here EUT, from the flow meter it is going into the ballast water treatment system. From over here EUT we are giving current over here. There is current and voltage is there and current is being produced, right? तो यहाँ पर हमने we give voltage and current is being produced. We can see the voltage and current over here. Copied. And then we see after killing all the organisms, the active oxidants that we should see over here should be between 1.5 to 2.5 ppm. This means that this active substance is being formed over here oxidants have killed all the bacteria, the pathogens, and still little bit is remaining. And that is how we are satisfied. So it should be between 1.5 to 2.5 ppm. What if suppose it becomes 5 ppm? It says, "Arey, this is 5 ppm." That means active substances formed are more. Even after killing all the bacteria, pathogens, still more is remaining. It will say, "Arey, reduce the voltage, reduce the voltage. We want to give less current. We do not want to form more H plus ions and OH ions and then react with chloride ions and form active substances." No, not needed. And suddenly you will see, earlier the voltage was say 440 volt, it becomes 410 volts. Automatically the current reduces from 100 to 80 amps. When the current reduces from 100 to 80 amps, suddenly slowly you will see, okay, now the active substances are not 5 ppm, they have become 3 ppm. So it says, "Arey, still it is 3 ppm, make it 2.5 ppm, little bit reduce voltage more, make it 400 volts." So that current becomes 75 amps, and that is how this is measuring. Copied? I will show you in detail what kind of automation is happening over here, but there is a big control box where everything is going. So when this is measuring over here, this is sending a signal ki bhaiya, you have told inside this control box the memory of this whole system that you want to maintain 1.5 to 2.5 ppm, right? You have told inside the memory to maintain 1.5 to 2.5 ppm, right? But right now this is 5 ppm. Okay, this is 5 ppm. I will tell EUT to reduce the voltage. I will tell EUT to reduce the current, and then accordingly this will active oxidants form will reduce even after killing the active organisms. Similarly, one day you see, array TRO is forming 0.5 ppm only. Array only 0.5 ppm, but I have said to give 1.5 to 2.5 ppm. What is EUT doing? Tell it to increase the voltage, and then suddenly EUT starts increasing the voltage automatically. Suddenly if voltage increases, current increases, Jai Mata Di, more number of active oxidants formed and they kill more number of bacteria, and suddenly you will see active oxidants have increased to 1.5 to 2.5 ppm, and that is how this system works. So now when in automation you see over here, say a chief officer starts the ballasting operation, first he will see the ballast pump starts, then this discharge valve opens after that. Why? In centrifugal pump you do not start the ballast pump with the discharge valve open, and all this is taken care by the memory box over here. This ensures when I press the start button, okay, ballasting starts, so it will open this valve, it will keep this valve shut, it will slowly open these valves, and this ballast pump will be started. Once it will get a signal, okay, ballast pump has started, amperage has come, there is pressure over here, then it will open this valve, then this valve, and accordingly everything is automation over here. This is how automation works. Copied, guys? Abhi. So I hope you have understood this thing. Abhi aage badhte and I'll show you later what else is there. Now I have to talk about auto backwash filter, but before that I am going to talk about one important thing, and that is important FAQ. What happens during ballasting operation? The role of the treatment system during ballasting is to eliminate any marine organisms contained in the ballast water. It does so by passing it through a 50 micron filter. You saw that big filter? Can you see this big filter? This is a 50 micron filter which has got a mesh size of 15 to 10 to the power minus 6 meters only. So 50 micron filter followed by a EUT unit which passes current electrocatalysis through the water to generate active substances which are responsible for killing any organism. Copied? We have discussed that. Is neutralizing unit work during ballasting? No. What is neutralizing unit? I will discuss later when I will be talking about deballasting system. That is where you understand what is neutralizing unit and why it is required. And since neutralizing unit is not required, you can see there is no water going into the neutralizing unit over here. There is no water going in this line. So that is why this valve is shut over here. Copied? And all this is happening in the memory. You put ballasting operation, click, and suddenly you will see only those valves are opening which are required for ballasting. You click deballasting, only those valves are open which should be required for deballasting. Anyways, what is the purpose of EUT? EUT is electrolysis ultra treatment. This unit supplies current into the ballast water to ionize it. The OH minus radicals produced react with chlorine ions present in the seawater to form active substances or oxidants which are responsible for killing the microorganisms contained in the ballast water. I have discussed that in a very good way. Which sampling works during blasting? अब तुम यहाँ पर देखोगे there are 3 points of sampling. See over here. For MEU unit, one is coming from over here, one is coming from over here, and one is coming from over here. But for blasting, we are using only this one, and for deblasting, we are using these two. Copied? So for blasting, we are using only TRO3, which is coming from over here, which is telling us, okay, you have killed all the organisms and still you have got active substances with you, which are in minimum quantity 1.5 to 2.5 ppm over here. Copied? Now, so the sample of TRO3 is taken into monitoring unit. This sample is taken after the EUT unit to ensure that residual oxidants are in the design range as per the TRO present in the blasting water. The EUT current is regulated by the main control panel, the memory. Copied? As per the TRO means oxidant, as per the oxidant present in the blasting water. How does flow meter work? Flow meter is of magnetic type and has no moving parts inside. It is capable of showing the instantaneous volumetric flow of any conductive liquid. So this is, since this is seawater, conductive liquid, वो बता देता है. Now, since you have understood the blasting operation, in the next video, we are going to talk about how the automation of this filter works, which is very important. Copied? Jai Hind.